There's an old saying, if we change it a bit, he that prank hatches, prank catches. But it won't make our heroine refuse her treacherous plan. Though sometimes it's so easy to get caught in your own trap. I have a little present for my friend. It's an ice lollipop. Unwrap a lollipop and keep the wrapper. Eat the candy as you'll need the stick. Add food coloring to water. Pour the colored water into a small balloon. Put in the lollipop stick. Twist the balloon and attach it to the stick using tape. Put it into a freezer. Remove the balloon from the frozen water and wrap the fake lollipop into the wrapper. I put the candy into my pocket to treat my friend when we go for a walk. But when we meet, the only thing left from my lollipop is a stick. The lollipop melted and left a wet stain and a failed prank. And I feel exactly like Piglet when he gave a popped balloon to Eeyore. It's okay, my next prank will be a success. I will treat my friend with unusual jelly candies. Add a little water to gelatin to make thick jelly. Put it into a microwave. Add ketchup and stir well. Pour the fluid into silicone molds and put them into the fridge. Take the cool jelly out of the molds. Mix them with regular gummies. Who can tell which ones are real candies and which ones are fake? I put the candies into the gummy pack. My friend is calling me. I'm coming. I take out my candy pack during the walk. My friend must suspect something as she refuses to eat my candies. I taste one to show her that there's nothing wrong with them, but I take out the ketchup one by mistake. Yuck! It's so disgusting. My friend is way luckier than me. She takes out a sweet gummy. Redhead is disturbingly kind today. She's made us some tea, but a phone call distracts her all of a sudden. It's her friend Mickey calling to ask her a stupid favor, as usual. Redhead doesn't notice anything while talking to him, but I do. The tea has a weird smell. Now I see why she's so kind. Brew 2 cups of strong tea. Add soy sauce to one of them and stir. While Redhead is talking on her phone, I swap the cups. She finishes her phone call and takes a sip. Oops, the tea seems to be not as sweet as she expected. I've caught her. Redhead needs to get rid of that disgusting taste somehow. She goes to a bathroom to brush her teeth. My toothbrush is there, but where is the toothpaste? My absent-minded friend has taken it away again. Heat up Nutella in a microwave. Cut off the top of an empty toothpaste tube. Clean it inside and fill it with Nutella. Cover the cut with parchment paper and iron it. The tube seals this way. I squeeze some chocolate paste onto bread. It's delicious! I leave the paste in the kitchen. Redhead finds the toothpaste on a kitchen table. We will see what she says when she finds out that it is not the toothpaste, but the hazelnut cocoa one. It is way tastier. Except that this paste will not protect your teeth from dental cavities. Quite the contrary, and it will definitely cause a prank in response. I'm going to prank my friend with unusual eyeshadow. Fill a used empty palette with flour. My friend opens up the palette and all the flour immediately jumps out onto her clothes. I'm guessing this is a special whitening eyeshadow, but now it only helps make me wash my pullover as soon as possible. I put a soft seat mat onto my friend's hard chair. It's a special prank bubble wrap. Cut out a square of bubble wrap. Fill a syringe with water. Prick the wrap and eject the water into the bubbles. My friend comes back, all in flour and in a rage. All of a sudden, I'm sitting down on my prank mat myself. My friend has got a dirty pullover, and I have tarnished my image. We should quit now. I see traces of my own prank on the couch. It's been so funny to play a flour trick on my friend. I open the shadow palette, being sure it's safe as my friend has scattered out all of the flour. I've never been so wrong. Surprise! There happens to be enough flour left for me. Bad luck. Eating a lot of fats is not healthy.